Hello, how to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator? 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. Solution. We're going to solve this problem in two different ways. Let us consider the first method called method 1. Then we have 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. This can be written as 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 can be written as 2 multiplied by 33 to the power of 33. Then here we have 33 raised to power 66 divided by, this can be written as 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. And this is the same thing as 33 raised to power 66 divided by 33 raised to power 33 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 raised to power 33. And here we have 1 divided by 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by, because of the same base, we have 33 raised to power 66 minus 33. And this is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 66 minus 33, that is 33. And this is, we have 33 raised to power 33 divided by 2 raised to power 33. And because of the same power here, this is equal to 33 divided by 2 to the power of 33. So this is equal to 33 divided by 2. We have 16.5 raised to the power of 33. And this is the final answer. Now, let us consider second method called method 2. From the second method, we have the given problem 33 raised to power 66 divided by 66 raised to power 33. Then this is 33 raised to power 66 can be written as 33 plus 33 divided by, here we have 66 raised to power 33, and this is equal to 33 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33. This is 33 raised to power 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. Now this can be written as 33 divided by 66 raised to power 33 because of the same power, multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. Then here, 33 here 1, 33 here 2. We have 1 over 2 raised to power 33 multiplied by 33 raised to power 33. And this can be written as 1 over 2 multiplied by 33 here to the power of 33. Then here we have 33 over 2 to the power of 33. And this is equal to 16.5 to the power of 33. This is the final answer if you use the second method. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.